Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Code with ER. In this video guys, we are going to learn something new, something different. In this video guys, we are going to learn something new, something different in react.js. Okay? Yes guys, today in this video, in this session, we are going to learn something new, something different in react.js. Okay? And guys, today in this video, in this session, we are going to learn that how we can create an awesome, dynamic and state-of-the-art native HTML popover in react.js. Okay? Yes guys, you heard that right. Today in this video, in this session, we are going to learn that how we can create an awesome, dynamic and state-of-the-art native HTML popover in react.js with me, ER Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so guys, just to give you the demo, I have already created an example. So let me go to the example now and let me just show you the example. Let me just explain all the feature, all the functionality of the example to you. Okay, so let me go to the example now and let me just show you the example. Okay, so guys, this is the example I have built using purely react.js and native HTML popover as well. Okay, so guys, here we can see the heading also, how to use native HTML popover in React. No library needed. Okay, yes guys, you read that right. No library needed at all. Okay, so guys, we are going to use native HTML popover in React. Okay, and we are also gonna learn that how we can create it and how we can use it in our React app, in our React application in this video, in this session with me, ER Prabhat Pandit. Okay, and guys, below we can see here one button also called Open Popover. Okay, so guys, whenever you will click on this button Open Popover, you are going to see a nice and dynamic and cool native HTML popover now. Okay, so let me just click this button Open Popover. So hit it now. So see, boom guys, we can see here this is the HTML native popover. Okay, and guys, you can see here it looks cool and dynamic, that it is going to give you the feel that I have used here any library, any extra like third party library or the API to create this popover. Okay, but no guys, literally no, I have not used here any external library to create this awesome and dynamic popover at all. Okay guys, this is native HTML popover. Okay, and we are going to learn, we are going to know that how we can create and how we can use this dynamic and cool HTML native popover in React. Okay, so guys, now let me just explain a few things about this popover as well. Okay, so guys, we can dismiss this popover in 3 ways. Okay guys, let me just repeat this for you. Guys, we can dismiss or we can close this popover in 3 ways. Okay, so first we can remove this popover by clicking this cross icon. So let me just hit this cross icon now. It's gone. Let me just open it one more time. So click the button Open Popover. So guys, now we can dismiss this popover by clicking anywhere on the screen. Okay guys, we can dismiss this popover by clicking anywhere on the screen as well. Okay, so this will be the second method, this will be the second way to close this popover. Okay, so click here anywhere on the screen, it's gone. Click here, it's gone. Click here, it's gone. Click here, it's gone. Okay, and let me just open it one more time. Okay, so guys, now we can dismiss this popover by pressing the escape button as well. Guys, we can dismiss this popover by clicking the or by pressing the escape button as well. Okay, so put the cursor here, and now I am going to press the escape key. It's gone. Boom, guys, it's gone. Okay, so guys, now we are going to learn and we are going to use this HTML native popover in our React app, in our React application. Okay, and I explained you already, I told you already that no library needed at all. Okay, so guys, this is going to keep our React app, this is going to keep our React application very light, and okay, and our application is going to be loaded very fast. Okay, whenever any user is going to use our React app, use our React application. Okay, so in this way we can, okay, like refrain ourselves using, okay, by using the external library or API to create the popover in our React app, in our React application, because now we know that how we can create the HTML popover in React now. Okay, guys, we are going to stop using the external library, external API to create, okay, this popover, because now we know how to use HTML native popover in our React app, in our React application. Okay, so guys, if you are new to react.js and if you don't know how to create HTML native popover, then guys, this video is definitely for you. You should definitely watch the entire video. And guys, I guarantee you guys, we have got a lot of things, a lot of new stuff, a lot of new things to learn in React. Okay, from this video, from this session. Okay, guys, it's my guarantee, it's Prabhat Pandit guarantee. Okay, guys, you are not going to regret after watching this video, after watching this session, and later on, guys, you will definitely thank me. You will definitely going to, okay, going to say to yourself that, yeah, thank God I have watched this video, and I have learned something new, something cool, something awesome from this video, from this session. Okay, and guys, you will definitely thank me. Okay, it's my guarantee, it's Prabhat Pandit guarantee. Okay, guys, we have got a lot of things, to learn, to understand, to ponder over it in react.js if you are new to react.js. Okay, so guys, now let's get started and let's learn, okay, and let's build this HTML native popover in React. Okay, but before that, guys, I would like to request you all, guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel Code with ER, and please press the bell icon also, so that whenever I will upload the new video in the playlist, you can be notified and you can watch them instantly and you can learn from them also, and definitely, guys, you will grow also professionally. Okay, so please, guys, like this video as well. Okay, and I hope you are going to subscribe my channel Code with ER now, after watching this video, after watching this session. Okay, so guys, now let's get started and let's learn. Okay, I hope you will subscribe now my this channel Code with ER. Okay, okay, so now let's get started and let's create a new file first. So guys, I'm going to use here VS Code editor. Okay, guys, you are free to use the IDE of your choice, of your preferences. Okay, but I'm going to use here VS Code editor to write my code. Okay, so guys, let me just create here one new file. So I'll say here HTML, okay, native popover in react.jsx. Okay, so save the file in components folder, hit save. Okay, so let me just create here a few things also. So I'm gonna create here first React. So React, I'm going to import here few hooks also. Okay, so first hook I'm gonna import here useRef. Okay, and next one I'm gonna import here use state. Okay, and next one I'm gonna use here use effect hook as well. Okay, I'll explain you all these hooks, okay, in details in this video, in this session. Okay, if you are new to react hook, okay guys, this video is definitely for you. You should definitely watch this video very patiently and very carefully till last. Okay, don't try to skip the video and don't try to fast forward the video. And please guys, please do use the headphone for better audio and for better sound experience. Okay, please do use the headphone. Okay, so this is it. Let me just create here first one const I'm gonna create here first. Okay, so I'll say here const. So what is the const? I'll say here native HTML. Okay, HTML, I'll say here pop over. Okay, give equal to, and I'm sorry for my typing error. Okay, I'm very sorry for this. Okay, so return, because give here div, and I'm going to create here I'm going to give here the class name also. I'll say here position relative, and I'll say here display flex also, and I'll just say here flex column. Okay, and I'll just say here justify. I'm very sorry for my typing error today. Okay, so justify, I'll say here justify content center, and let me just close this div. Okay, so guys, now let me just export it first. So I'll say here export default. I'll say here native HTML popover. Okay, so for testing purpose I'm going to give here something. I'll say here hello react developers. Okay, so let's just remove extra s. Okay, so guys, as of now just save the file and come to the app.jsx. Okay, and I'm gonna import the file. I'll say here native HTML popover from HTML native popover dot in react. Okay, so let me just copy this from here, and let me just comment this out first. Okay, the previous one, have a look in the browser. So we don't have anything, so now I'm going to use this native HTML popover. So save the file, have a look in the browser first. We can see here hello react.js developers, which means our component is doing great. Okay, so just minimize this, come to this file. Okay, and now let me just remove this. Okay, and now first of all guys, I'm going to create here one button to open the native HTML popover. Okay, so I'm gonna create here one button first and just close this button very quickly, and I'm gonna give here the type as well. So I'll give the type button. Okay, and I'll just give here the class name also, btn primary, and I'm going to give here the internal inline style sheet as well. Okay, inline style. Okay, so I'll just say here padding, okay, of 10 px 20 px. Okay, put comma. I'll just say here font size, I'll also give here of 18 px. Okay, and now I'll just give here the border radius as well. Border radius also I'll give here of 5 px, put comma. I'll just give here background color also. Okay, so to make it look cool, okay, I will use here the hash. Okay, 4f 46e. Okay, e capital, and give 5, put comma, and I'll just say here border also of none. I am going to remove the border from the button also, and I'll just say here box shadow as well. I'll just say here 0 10 px and 20 px. I'll use here the RGBA value. 0 comma 0 comma 0 0.3. Okay, so as of now, just save the file and have a look in the browser. So we have to give here give here the text. I forgot to give the text, so just say here open pop over. So now we can give here let's just give your color also of white. Okay, so put comma here and let's just I can remove this class. We don't okay, so give here flex column justify content center and say here align items also center. Okay, so now this looks cool. Okay, so we have got the button here guys to open the popover. Okay, so now I'm going to create the popover div. Okay, so guys, now I'm going to create the popover. So below this button I'm gonna create here another div. Okay, so just create a div. Okay, and now guys we have to give here one attribute. Okay guys, remember that we have to give here one attribute, and that attribute is pop over. Okay, equal to I'll say here auto. Okay guys, to create native HTML popover we have to use this attribute popover equal to auto. Okay, so it takes auto and it takes manual as well. Okay, but auto is used. Okay, it is used widely. Okay, and guys, let me tell you one very important things guys. This popover is fully supported in any major web browser. Okay guys, let me just repeat this for you. This popover is fully supported in any major web browser like Chrome, Safari, Windows, Internet Explorer. Guys, any major web browser, you know, this popover is fully supported, and it is there since 2022. Okay, it is there since 2022. So this popover is fully supported, in any major web browser. Okay, okay, this is it. So we can create this popover in any React application, Vue application, Angular application, or in plain JavaScript application as well. Okay, it is fully supported. Okay, so let me just give here the inline style as well. So I'll just say here position I'll give here absolute. Okay, and just give here top. Okay, I'll just give here top of 60 px, and I'll just say here z index also I'll give here of say here 1000. Okay, and I'll just give here the padding also of 1 rem, put comma. I'll just give here the background color of I'll give here white. Okay, and I'll just say here the border also I will give here of thin solid gains border. You can just change it. Okay, it is up to us only, but I'm just going to give you the details insights. Okay, so I'll just say here border radius I'll just give here also. So border radius I'll give here of 10 px. Okay, and I'll just give here the width also of 300 px. I'll just give here the transition also of not transform. I'll say here transition all 0.4 seconds is in out. Okay, and put comma. I'm going to give here the font family. I'll also use here the say here sans serif. Okay, so this is it. Okay guys, this is it. So let me just Okay, so close this div now. Okay, and open this div, and inside this div I'm going to create here another div. Okay, inside this div I'm going to create here another div. Okay, so div, give the class name also. I'll say here deflex, and justify content. Justify content, I don't know why. Okay, there are so much, okay, so many typing error today in this video. Okay, but I hope you can understand, and I hope you are gonna just like excuse me for this, okay, typing error. Okay, so close this div. Okay, and now just to say here, I can give here give here deflex, and we can give here say here align content between. Okay, say here align content and align item, align items. I'll give here the center. Okay, so this is it. And now inside this div, okay, so guys, this is the popover div. Okay guys, this is the popover div. Okay, and inside this div only we are going to create the close button, and we are going to create the content div as well. Okay, inside this popover div only. Okay, so here I'm gonna create here first the h5 element. Okay, for the heading, so h5, and just say here I'll give the class name also. I'll say here text dark, and say here I'll just give you the style also. So okay, so now I'll just say here it's font size. Okay, I don't know guys what is the issue, what's wrong with the typing, okay, today. Okay, so I'll just say here 30 px. Okay, and now just open this h5, and now I'm going to put here the heading pop over info. Okay, we can give all the like full like text information. Okay, if we need like if needed we can remove it, we can truncate it as well. Okay, so this is it. As of now we won't see anything, because here we have given here the attribute popover. So remove this attribute popover, and just try to see. You can see here this is okay popover information, you can see here. So now it's important to give this attribute popover equal to auto. Okay, it's important. Okay, we have to remember this attribute popover equal to auto, or we can give the manual as well. Okay, but whenever you will give the manual, you can't okay dismiss the popover whenever you will click on the screen, or whenever you will press the escape button. Okay, you can't dismiss the popover on clicking the screen, or on pressing the escape button whenever you will give here popover equal to manual. Okay, so that's why auto is fully supported, and auto is the best, okay, to use. Okay, so this is it. And now inside this div only I'm going to create here the button. Okay, so below this h5 I'm gonna create here button to close the popover also. Okay, so just open this button, and I'll just give here the type attribute as well, button only. And now I'm going to give here the class name also, like say here btn close. Okay, btn close. And now I'm going to give here the area area level as well, equal to close. Okay, equal to close. So this is it. Okay, so popover equal to auto. Let me just refresh the page. Yeah, it's gone. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so guys, this is the button. Okay, to close the pop over. Okay, this is the button to close the pop over. Okay, so now below this div I'm going to create here the p element. Okay, so create here p, and let me just give here the style as well, inline style. I'll just say here color. Okay, color I'll give here hash 4b and 5563. Okay, put comma, or just bring it like this. Okay, so just to bring it like this. Okay guys, if you want you can just separate the css in another file as well. Okay guys, if you want you can just separate the css in another file as well. Okay, but for the like I'm gonna finish this video in 10 to 20 minutes. Okay, so I'll just say here uh, font size, but I don't know what is the issue with my typing today. Okay, I'll just say here 16px. Okay, so this is it. Okay, and let me just copy the text from the previous example. Okay, let me just copy the text only from this okay, so copy it and just come here and just paste it. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so guys, this is it. So now we have to guys now write our few lines of react .js code. Okay guys, now we have to write here a few lines of react.js code. Okay, so guys, for that, first of all, I'm going to use here the useRef, okay, hook on this div. Okay guys, we have to use here useRef div on this popover div only. Guys, remember we have to use here useRef, okay, on this popover div only. Okay, on this popover div. Okay, so I'm gonna do that now. So I'll just say here ref equal to popover ref. Okay, so copy it and I'm gonna create here one const here. So I'll just say here const, okay, like this, equal to, I'll say here useRef. Okay, and as of now just give here the null value. Okay, so guys, useRef is used to reference the HTML, okay, tag HTML node in our React. Okay guys, like we use the document dot get element by id in our plain JavaScript code, but here we don't use here document dot get element by id to reference the HTML node, to reference the HTML element in React. No, rather we are going to use here pop or like useRef. Okay, we are going to useRef. Okay, and whenever the moment you will say here this useRef, it is going to create here the object. Okay guys, whenever you will use the useRef, it is going to create the object with the property, okay, like current. Okay, with the property current. Okay guys, always remember useRef is similar to, is similar to document dot get element by id in plain JavaScript. Okay, but here we don't use document dot get element by id to reference any HTML tag or element in React. Rather we are going to use here useRef, okay, to reference the HTML node, to reference the HTML element in React. Okay, and the moment you will use useRef, it is going to create here one object. Okay, it is going to create here one object with the property current. Okay, you can see here it has got property dot current. Okay guys, this property is used to access the HTML element. Okay, this dot current property is used to reference the HTML node, is used to reference the HTML element in react.js. Okay guys, this dot current property is used to reference the HTML node, is used to reference the HTML element in react.js. Okay, okay, but because here we can't use here document dot get element by id, so we have to use here useRef. Okay, because React has its own ecosystem. Okay guys, React has its own ecosystem, so we have to use here dot current. Okay, whenever we are gonna reference the any HTML tag or node using the useRef. Okay, it is going to create here one object with the current property in it. Okay, this is it. So it is similar to document dot get element by id in plain JavaScript. Okay, but here we can't use it, so we use here useRef to reference the HTML node, to reference the HTML element. Okay guys, this is it. Okay, this is it. Okay, so guys, now in this way, we have now referenced, okay, this entire div. Okay guys, now in this way we have referenced this entire div. Okay, this entire div is now referenced by using this popover ref. Okay, and here we have used here, okay, use ref. Okay, so now we have each and everything inside this popover ref. Okay, we have each and everything inside this popover ref with the dot current property as well. Okay, with the dot current property as well. Okay, so now we have to write here few lines of react.js code. Okay, so I am gonna do that now. So first of all, I'm gonna create here first, okay, like a function or the method. Okay, so I'm gonna say here show, okay, show popover equal to open and closing parenthesis equal to, I'm going to use here the file or function, and now we are going to check. Okay, we are going to check, okay, if it is referenced or not. Okay, if it is there or not. Okay, so if it is there or not, so we will say here popover dot ref dot current. Okay, if it is defined or not. Okay, the moment our component has mounted, the moment our component has mounted, if it is defined or not, if this ref, okay, object exists or not. Okay, if this ref object is there or not, if it is defined or not, if it exists or not. Okay, whenever our component has mounted. Okay, whenever our component has finished mounting. Okay, this is it. Okay, this is it. So we will say here popover ref dot current dot, I'm going to use here the native, okay, method defined. Okay, defined, okay, defined for this popover. Okay, defined for this popover. Okay, in plain JavaScript. Okay, in plain JavaScript it is defined, it has defined two method, show popover and hide popover. Okay, show popover and hide popover. Okay, so first I'm going to use here this popover ref dot current dot show show pop over. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so guys, this is it. Okay, so guys, this is predefined method in JavaScript. Okay, for this pop over. Okay, for this pop over. Okay, so just copy this show pop over from here, and now just come to this button, open popover. I am going to say here on click, just paste it here, save the file, have a look in the browser, and now hit this button, open popover. Okay, so hit it now. See, boom guys, you can see here it's look cool, but as of now it is not going to close. Okay, so now we can let me just check, okay, if we can remove this popover by clicking the button escape key. Okay, so see, it's gone. Hit again escape key button, hit gone, it's gone. Press again escape key button, it's gone. Okay, so now see, it's gone also whenever you will click on the anywhere on the screen as well. Okay, see, but now as of now whenever you will click this cross button, it is not going to dismiss the pop over. Okay, so we have to define here another method. Okay, so as of now this will work. Okay, whenever you will click anywhere on the screen, it is going to work. Okay, it is going to work. Okay, because we have used here the auto attribute. Okay, the auto attribute. Okay, so we can dismiss this using the escape key button as well. It's gone. So now let me just say here manual. Okay, manual. So now just save the file, have a look in the browser, open this, and now press the escape button. It's not going to remove this popover. See, it is not going to remove it. Okay, it is not going to remove it. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so now that's why we are going to use here the popover equal to auto. Okay, so we will just use here popover equal to auto. Okay, so save the file, and now press escape key. It's gone. Click anywhere on the screen, it's gone. It's gone. It's gone. It's gone. Okay, it's gone. Okay, so guys, now we are going to define here another method to dismiss this pop-up whenever you will click this cross icon as well. Okay, so come to the code now, and now let me just create here another method. I'll say here const, I'll say here height pop over equal to open and closing parenthesis equal to, I'm going to use here the Fedora function, and now again I'm going to check, okay, using the if. Okay, so now we will say here if popover ref is defined, it is there, it exists, okay, it is there, it exists, or it is not null. Okay, if this is the case, we are going to say here popover ref dot current, and now hide pop over. So close this. Okay, so now just copy this. Okay, so say here small I, so now just copy this hide popover method from here, and just come to the this button to dismiss this pop over. Okay, so where is the button, guys? Okay, so yeah, here is the button to dismiss this popover. So we will say here on click of this button also, I'm going to run this method hide pop over. Okay, so save the file, have a look in the browser now. So now open the popover, click it, see, boom guys, it's gone, boom, it's gone. Okay, it's gone. Okay, it's gone. Press escape button, it's gone. Click anywhere on the screen, it's gone, it's gone. Click this cross icon. Okay, so guys, now this is it. Okay, so guys, in this way we have created here our native HTML popover, and now we know how to use it in our React app, in our React application, without using any external library, okay, at all. Okay, so guys, now we'll know how we can create the native HTML popover in React without using the any library, and how to use it in our React app, in our React application. Okay, so guys, this is it. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so guys, now let me just, okay, we are going to learn, okay, something different, okay, something cool also, okay, something beyond, okay, this native HTML popover as well. Okay, so guys, now we are going to learn that now. Okay, so guys, now we can, okay guys, now we can minimize, okay, this function as well. We can, okay, concise this function as well, okay, by using the optional chaining operator. Guys, by using the optional chaining operator, we are going to concise, we are going to short this method as well. Okay, by using just optional chaining operator. Okay, by using, guys, optional chaining operator, we are going to short this function, we are going to minimize this function, we are going to concise, okay, this function or this method as well. Okay, using the optional chaining operator. Okay, so for this we have to just remove this, and now we have to say here question mark. Okay, so guys, it means if it is defined. Okay guys, it means if it is defined, then only JavaScript is going to access this method. Okay guys, let me just explain you one more thing, one more time. Okay guys, this question dot is known as the optional chaining operator. Okay, optional chaining operator in JavaScript. Okay, so guys, it is used to access the nested object or the array. Okay, it is used to access nested objects in JavaScript. Okay, okay, so guys, now guys, this means if it is defined. Okay, if it exists. Okay guys, this means if it is defined, if it exists, okay, then only JavaScript is going to access this method. Okay guys, let me just explain you one more time. Guys, this means if popover dot popover ref dot current is defined, it exists. Okay, then only JavaScript is going to access this method. Okay, so likewise for this also, we can also concise this, we can also shorten this method also. So we just have to put here question mark. Okay, So this means also if it is defined, if it exists, okay, then only it is going to access this method. Okay, then only it is going to access this method. Okay, this is it. Okay, this is known as the optional chaining operator. Okay, and I have written here where and how we are going to use it. Okay, so just save the file, have a look in the browser, and now just refresh the file one more time manually. So see, it's doing great. It's doing as defined as intended. Okay, so open Popover. It's doing great. Press escape button. It's going okay. So we can just dismiss this anywhere on clicking this screen also. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so guys, now we are going to learn something extra. Okay, we are going to learn something extra now. Okay, so now we are going to learn that what is useRef. Okay, in deep in details. Okay, so now let me just create here one method also. Below this div, I'm going to create here another div. Okay, so I'll just create here another div. I'll just say here the class name also. I'll give here text center, and just close this div and open this div, and inside this div I'm going to put here some text. Okay, say here h4. Okay, h4, and we will say here we will now learn about here. Okay, use ref hook in react in details. Okay, in details. So just say here another class. I will say here font weight, I'll give you a bold, and I'll say here margin top 4 and margin bottom also 4 I'll give you. Okay, this is it, and I'll just say here display 5. So save the file, have a look in the browser. Now we can see here we got the text here. Okay, let me just in lab, or we can just say here 3. Okay, so make it h2. Okay, so now it says we will now learn about here useRef hook in react. Okay, in details. Okay, so let me just create here one button also below this div. Okay, so I'll just create here one button also. I'm sorry, so I'll just say here alert text. Okay, so let me just say here class name btn. I'll just say here info. Okay, so we got the button also, alert text. So here now we are going to use here useRef. Okay guys, we are going to use here the useRef. Okay, so we will just say here text ref. Okay, text ref. So copy it from here and now come up, and here we are going to create here one const. So I'll just say here use ref, and as of now just give here null value. Okay, so give here null value. Okay, so now we will just create here another method. Okay, another function const show. Okay, text equal to, I'll use here the fat arrow function, and like this. And now we will just say here again we are going to check. Okay, so we will say here if. Okay, if it is defined, if it exists. Okay, if it is defined, if it exists. Okay, after mounting the component. Okay, after page has been fully loaded. Okay, after page has been fully loaded. Okay, so say here using the dot current property. Okay, we are gonna check. Okay, using the dot current property we are gonna check. Okay, so if text ref dot current, I'll just say here text content. Okay, this is it. Okay, so we have to allot it. So cut it out, and we're gonna use the method allot. Okay, so just paste it here. This is it. Okay, so guys, you can see here we have to use here dot text content, okay, property, along with this dot current property, okay, for the text, okay, for the text we have to use here dot current dot text content, okay, for the text, okay, for the text. So copy this show text method from here and just paste over this button, okay, on click, okay, on click. I'm very sorry, so paste it here, save the file, have a look in the browser now. So now hit the button alert text. See, we will now learn about here useRef hook in React in details, okay. So guys, we can see here in this way we can grab the any HTML tag, any HTML node in our react.js, because we can't use here document dot get element by id, because react has its own ecosystem, because guys react has its own ecosystem. So we can't use here document dot get element by id to reference the HTML node, to reference the HTML element. Rather we have to use here useRef, okay, to reference the HTML node, to reference the HTML element in our React app, in our React application, okay. So now if we want, we can also like we can also shorten this method, okay. So let me just do one experiment here. So we will just say here question mark, okay. So in this way if it is defined, if it is defined, then only it is going to be access this, okay, otherwise it won't do anything, it is not going to access, okay. So save the file, have a look in the browser now, hit the button alert text. See, boom guys, see how cool and how dynamic our optional chaining operator is, okay. You can see here how cool and how dynamic our optional chaining operator is, okay. So this is it, okay. So let me just say here, I will just comment this out, and let me just show you one more thing very important, okay. So let me just copy this and just say here dot style dot background color, I'll say here red, okay. So we can say here, I'll say here background color, okay. We can say here red. Let's see if this works or not, okay. So save the file, have a look and in the browser and hit the button alert text. You can see here background text is now this, okay. So now let me just say here copy this and just paste it here. I'll say here now color. So I'm gonna guys give you the extra deep knowledge, okay, extra deep insight, okay, about the useRef hook in React, okay. So I'll say here color white. So now you can see here color is now white. Refresh the page one more time, hit the button alert text. You can see here background color is now red and color is now white, okay. So this is it, okay. Now I'm going to show you how to grab the input field, okay, the text, okay, using the useRef, okay. So I'm going to create here one input field, okay. So create here div and close this div, give the class also, I'll say here position relative, okay. So open this div and I'm going to create here input field. I'll give here the type as a text only. I'll just say here placeholder also, write something here. I'll give the class also, class name form control, okay. And now we have to use here the value attribute as well, okay. So I'll use here value. So now we have to use here the on change, okay, method also. So I'll just say here event object e equal to I'll just say here set name, okay, set name, okay. So we will just say here event dot target dot value. Okay, so event dot target dot value. So we have to create here one state variable. Okay, so I'm going to create here one state variable now. So I'll just say here const. Okay, so name. Okay, and we will set here, use here the state updater function called set name. Okay, so using the use state. So as of now, just give you a blank or empty string. So this is it. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so let me just create here one button also inside this div only to allot the text, okay, of the input field. Okay, whatever user will enter, we will just allot the input field text. Okay, so allot, okay, input field text. Okay, so just give your class name also btn. I'll say here danger. Okay, so save the file, have a look in the browser. So let's just remove this div. Okay, it is of no use. Okay, so okay, so let me just give here margin bottom 4, margin top also 4 for the spacing from top and bottom. Okay, this is it. And on this button also I'll give you a little bit of spacing, margin top 3, margin bottom also 3. It will look cool, it will look good. Okay, so now whenever we will hit the button allot input field text, we are going to see in the alert whatever user is going to insert in this input field. Okay, and just come to the, so first of all we have to use here the ref attribute. Okay, so ref, I'll use here the input. Okay, input ref. Okay, so copy this input ref from here, come up, and we are going to define here, I'll just say here const paste equal to use ref, and as of now just give here null. This is it. Okay, so we are going to define here another method now. So I will just say here show input value method. Okay, so we will just say here const show input field value. Okay, equal to open and closing parenthesis. I'm going to use here fat arrow function and just say here I'll just check here with the if first. Okay, so we will just say here input ref dot current property if it is defined or not. Okay, so you can see here I explained you very well. Okay, dot current property. Okay, whenever guys we will use the ref okay, whenever guys we will use the use ref hook, we have to use this dot current property. Okay, we have to use this dot current property. Okay, and you can see here using the optional chaining operator, guys, you can see here using the optional chaining operator we have minimized. Okay, we have concised our method, we have concised our function. Okay, so see how cool and how dynamic and how useful our optional chaining operator is in JavaScript. Okay, we can use anywhere, okay, for anything, but it is purely used for accessing the nested JavaScript object. Okay, but we can use it anywhere. Okay, this is it. So now just come to this function show input field value. Okay, if it is defined, if it exists, okay, if it is there, if it is not, null. Okay, this means, okay guys, this literally means, okay guys, this literally means if it is defined, if it is there, if it is not, null. If it exists, okay, if it is it exists after our component has finishing finished mounting, our page has been loaded. Okay, our page has been fully loaded. Okay, this is it. Okay, so now if this is the case, we will just allot the things, okay, whatever user will enter into the input field. Okay, so we will just say here input ref dot current property, and now we have to use here the dot value property. Okay, along with this current property we have to now use the dot value property to access, okay, to access this input field value. Okay, to access this input field value, and we have defined here the state variable name and this set name as the state updater function, and we have defined here the state variable name and set name using the user state. Okay, so now we are checking here if it is defined or not. If it is defined, we will say here input ref dot current dot value to access the input field value, and to access the text value we will say here current dot text content. Okay, to access the text content, to access the input field value, we will say here dot current dot value to access the input field value. Okay, whenever we have to use here useRef. Okay, hook. Okay, this is it. Okay, so copy this method name from here and come to the code now, and on this button we will say here on click we will say here. So now just save the file, have a look in the browser, and now we will just write here something. I'll say here hello developers, hit the button, alert input field text. See, boom guys, we can see here hello developers in the alert. Click OK. So I'll just say here hello Prabhat Pandit, hit the button, alert input field text. See, boom, you can see here hello Prabhat Pandit in the alert also. So click OK. Okay, so this is it. So come to the code now, and now I'm going to teach you extra things. Okay, one more extra thing. Okay, this is like extraordinary. Okay, so I'm going to create here another div below this div. Okay, so create a div, give the file like class name also. I'll just say here text center. Okay, and I will just say here font weight bold also. Okay, and I'll just say here display, I'll say here 3. Okay, so close this div now, and now we will just say here initial text. Okay, initial text. Okay, so now save the file, have a look in the browser. You can see here initial text is here. So now initial text is here. Okay, so guys, here is the deal. Okay, here is the catch. Okay, so guys, we all know that how we can change the text in JavaScript. Okay, but guys, we don't know how to change the text, okay, in React. Okay, so we are going to learn that now. Okay, so guys, as of now you can see here the text is initial text. Okay, but guys, whenever our component will be rendered, whenever our component will be mounted, I want to change this text to something else. Okay, guys, listen to me very carefully. As of now the text is initial text. Okay, guys, whenever our component is rendered, whenever our component has finished mounting, whenever our page has been fully loaded, okay, whenever our component is rendered, I want to change this text. Okay, I want to change this text. Okay, how to do that, guys? Now we are going to learn that now. Okay, how to do it, we are going to learn that now. Okay, so come to the code now, and we will use here use effect. Okay, hook now to do that, to achieve that feature, to achieve that functionality. Okay, so paste it here. I'll just use here the further function like this. Okay, and I'll just give here the empty dependency array as well. Okay, so just close this, and now we are going to do that. Okay, we are going to change the text whenever our component has finished mounting or rendered. Okay, so guys, as of now it's initial, we want to change it something else. Okay, so just come to the code now, and now we will just check here if. Okay, if. Okay, so we have to do that here one thing again. So we have to define here the ref attribute. Okay, so we will just say here change change text. Okay, this is it, copy it from here, and now just define it here. So const, I'll say here const this, and equal to use ref, and give as of now null value. Okay, so copy this change text variable from here, and now come to this code, and now we are gonna check it. Okay, we are gonna check it. Okay, so just as of now, guys, just comment this out. I want to concise this method also. So just remove this if. Okay, just remove this if, and we will just say here question mark this question mark. Okay, dot value. So save the file, have a look in the browser. So put here anything. I'll just say here hello Pooja Kumari. Okay, so hit the button, alert input text. See, it is doing again the same thing, and it is doing the great. Okay, it is doing great, and it is again doing the same thing. Okay, so guys, try to use this, okay, optional chaining operator as much as possible in your React app, in your React application. Okay, it is very cool and it is very dynamic as well. Okay, this is it. Okay, so uncomment this code now, and now we will just say here this, okay, this change text dot I told you dot current. Okay guys, so guys, always remember dot current is must. Okay, dot current property along with, okay, use ref hook is must. Okay guys, always remember dot current property along with use ref hook is must. Okay, we can change the dot value, dot, okay, text content, anything else, but dot current property is must. Okay, along with the use ref hook. Okay, so now we will just say here if it is defined, if it is there, if it is not, null. Okay, if it exists. Okay, if it exists. Okay, so we will just say here change, say here not text. Okay, so say here change ref. Okay, it will give us, okay, the like mental benefit also. Okay, so which means we are using here the ref attribute. Okay, or the ref hook. Okay, it will give us the mental advantage also. Okay, psychological advantage. Okay, so we'll just say here change ref dot current. Okay, dot current. Okay, and we will just say here text content. Okay, text content equal to, now we will just say here uh, hello developers, now you will see me as soon as component has mounted. Okay, close this. So guys, whenever our page will now refreshed, whenever our component is now mounted, we will see this text hello developers, you will now see me as soon as component has mounted, as has mounted, instead of this initial text. Okay, instead of this initial text, now we will see this text. Okay, hello developers, now you will see me as soon as component has mounted. Okay, so save the file, and now see, boom guys, you can see here hello developers. Okay, now you will see me as soon as component has mounted. Okay, so let me just comment this code for you only, and just refresh the page. So this is the initial text. Okay, this is the initial text. Okay, so uncomment this code now, save the file, and now come to the browser and have a look. So see, hello developers, now you will see me as soon as component has mounted. Okay, so guys, I hope I've explained you, okay, few things also, and now you are, okay, well versed. Okay, you are now well known, okay, with this, okay, hook, use ref, use state, and use effect. Okay, so guys, whenever you will use the use ref hook, okay guys, whenever you will use the use ref hook, I explained you, it is going to give you an object. Okay, it is going to give you an object like this. Okay, so current. Okay, so current and undefined. Okay, as of now it's undefined, but I'm going to, this is the just example. So guys, the moment you will use the use ref hook, it is going to give you the object. Okay, it is give you the it is going to give you the object with the current property in it. Okay, with the current property in it. Okay, so this is all about use ref. Okay, so guys, you don't have to be scared, okay, anymore, okay, of use ref. Okay, so guys, now you are well versed with use ref hook, and now you are okay, master of use ref hook in React, and now you are not going to be scared anymore of use ref hook. Okay, that how to use ref hook in React, what is use ref hook in React, what it is going to do with okay, what it is going to do when we are going to use ref hook. We don't know what is use ref hook. It is very confusing. It is very okay, vague. It is very okay, unclear. I'm not going to understand what is use ref hook. I can use different approach, I can use different method, I can use different okay, things. Okay, but now guys, everything I have settled, everything has I have cleared. Okay, all the doubts, all the problem, all the okay, like issues you have about the use ref hook is now cleared, is now okay, removed from your mind. Okay, from your like yeah, from your mind. Okay, and now you are well versed, you are well known, and you are master in now use ref hook in React. Okay, so guys, this is all about in this video, in this session. Okay, so thank you guys, okay, for watching my video, for watching my session. Okay guys, still you have any doubt, any query regarding this video, regarding this session, then please guys do let me know in the comment section below. I'll try to address it, I'll try to resolve it, and I will definitely try to give you the best possible solution and best possible answer as well. Okay, please guys, okay, like this video, and please guys, okay, do comment something. Okay, in the comment box below. It is going to tell the YouTube algorithm that this video is awesome, this video is very helpful to the okay, new learners in React. Okay, to the new beginners in React. Okay, and it is going to show my video to more and more audience. Okay, to broader audience as well. Okay, so please guys, do like this video and do comment something in the comment section below. Okay, and I hope you will subscribe now my this channel code with ER, and you will press the bell icon also, and you will like this video also, and you will like all my videos as well. Okay, which will give me the confidence, which will give me the motivation to create awesome videos for this on each and every topic. Okay, on each and every topic of web development and full stack development. Okay, for you. Okay, so I hope you will subscribe now, and you will like the video as well. And thank you guys one more time for being the okay, community member of this video, of this channel. Okay, so guys, thank you guys. Okay, all the subscribers, okay, who has already subscribed to my YouTube channel code with ER. Okay, thank you guys, thank you, thank you, thank you, thanks a lot. Okay, a lot. Okay, and thank you to also thank you to also those guys who has not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel code with ER. Okay, please guys, please subscribe now. You can see guys, I'm putting a lot of hard work, I'm putting a lot of hard efforts to create awesome videos. Okay, for you on each and every topic of on each and every small topic of web development, full stack development, and on service now as well. Okay, so please guys, please subscribe now, and please be the part of this dynamic, lovely, and okay, great community of okay, this channel code with ER. Okay, so thank you guys for watching my session, for watching my video. Okay, and guys, let me guys read something for you. I hope you will give it will give me the confidence to subscribe to my YouTube channel code with ER. Okay, let me just read something for you. Okay, I hope you will understand the seriousness. Okay, so okay, so let me just read this for you. So hey everyone, I know I'm not here to create a low grade, vulgar, or obscene content just to get the subscribers. If that were the case, I'm sure some of you would have subscribed by now, but that's not the goal of my video, of my session. My aim is to give back something meaningful and valuable to society through education and knowledge. Okay, if you believe in the power of learning and want to be part of this okay journey, I would really appreciate it if you could hit that subscribe button for my YouTube channel code with ER. I'm here to teach you and empower you with the skills that will last a lifetime. Okay, remember, there are countless channels out there offering cheap, dirty, and harmful content to entertain you, but here it's all about growth, learning, and becoming better versions of ourselves. Okay, so if you have learned something today or found this session helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel code with ER now. Your support means the world to me. At the end of the day, it's all in your hands. Okay, take care. We have I'll see you in the next session. We have got some amazing stuff lined up for you. Okay, in the next video, in the next session. ER Prabhat Pandit, that's me. Okay, I hope you will subscribe now my channel code with ER. I know guys, I'm not a boy, like uh, I'm not a girl. Okay, so you are not going to subscribe my channel because I'm not here to like show you any obscene content, any dirty content, and just to grab your eyeballs, just to grab your attention. Okay, and you will subscribe my channel. Okay, no guys, no, I'm just here to teach you something. I'm just here to empower you with my knowledge, with my experience, with my okay, like information. Okay, so if you feel like I'm doing good and you want to support me and you want to part of this growing and dynamic community, then guys, most welcome. Okay, our community is very welcoming. Our community is going to be welcoming you with open arm. Okay, very warmly. Okay, so you will subscribe now. My channel code with here er I'm going to hope that. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video, for watching this session. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye guys. This is Prabhat Pandit signing off now.